So welcome to the Festive Saga show by Pink Lotus. We are at Reflection Gallery. We have exhibition in 1.0 and 2.0 both. So please do visit us. We have everything covered here. So it's today and tomorrow 11 to 7.
Yeah, thank you, and you can actually see, look around, we have literally everything for the festive season. So swipe left to check out the collection.
So our brand name is Sunvay, and Navratri is all around the corners. So we have come up with something new
This season,
yeah.
perfect. So this particular brand brings very new collection every time, every year I've been seeing them. Look at that, this is beautiful set. Kota dupatta, look at the flare.
This particular one has 40 meter flare.
Beautiful. Look at the dupatta, kota dupatta, and we have color options in that. Then something like what she is wearing is also available. This is called
This is called Gurjari print Gamti
okay,
set. Yeah.
Gamti set. So yes, we have colors in that as well. Then you can actually pair different chania, a blouse and dupatta separately, so that you can get dupattas from here. They have some nice shaded shades also available, pastels. Then only blouses are also available. Look at this. This is crave confetti. They have a best solution for gifting. So yes, look at these beautiful trays that they have sweets also here. Some nice hampers, chocolate brownies. You can actually create a hamper like this for your Rakhi. And the hamper starts from 400. Look at this. Check these out. इसमें आप राखी डाल सकते हैं, स्वीट डाल सकते हैं, रोली चावल. Look at that. These are good gifting options. Then we have beautiful jewelry again. Look at that. These are all earrings. And we have rings. We have karas, long neck pieces. Chadao. Look at that. Really love the collection. So yes, let's go.
Hi, the brand name is Clothing Wave, and we have these cord sets with beautiful borders. We have something like this, fresh colors as well.
Oh, very pretty.
These can be customized as per your color preferences.
Right.
Then we have lots of options in one pieces as well,
Oh, I like
with
that.
patchwork.
Right.
I'll on it. We have
Look at
something
that.
like this with detailing on the pockets.
Mm-hmm.
And we have shorter tops like this.
Nice. These are all shaded tops.
Then we have options like this as well.
So nice. Look at that.
And we have lots of options in
In
chanias.
chanias.
These are with 16 meters flare.
Right.
These come with 4 colored dupattas. So
good.
these are, we have color options in that as well.
I love that.
Then we have a little vintage designs as well.
Oh, very pretty.
Again, these have 16 meters.
They have festive से लेके चनिया चोली से लेके smart casual. So starting with this, something in jacket style,
Nice.
something like this.
Pretty. And we will also show you handmade jewelry with that. So stick to the live.
They have something in short tops also.
Pretty.
And chanias, we have so many options. Just I'm showing you one here.
Oh, okay. And then you get casual shirts like these. Also handmade jewelry. So the brand name is
Yana's Craft.
Yana's Craft. So only earring. Again, these are all handmade. There's some nice scarves. We also have something for the kids here. These are some nice pretty rakis for Bhaiya Bhabis both. Then these are some chokers. Something like what she's wearing. We have color options in that, red, pink, and can be customized also. Black. Look at that. These are all beautiful pieces you can wear in your western and ethnic outfits. So yes, you'll get a gift card for your next purchase of rupees 500 if you take anything from this. So this is brand called
Agita.
yes.
So we have something like this.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is 3-piece set
Right.
with bottom and dupatta. और बॉटम में भी इन्होंने वर्क करवाया है.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can customize also. These all are sample pieces.
Right. Check these out.
Something in double color.
And these are all pure fabric and all handwork done.
Yeah. See.
Tissues पे भी हैं.
उसका color.
Beautiful.